Good morning. This is Peter Front for Allendale's morning wake-up call for Friday, September 6th of 2024. So, as of right now, we do have Dees corn up 3/4 of a cent to 4.11 1/2. November beans are down 4 to 10.19 1/2, and Dees Chicago wheat is up a half penny to 5.75 1/4. So today we do have exports coming out. Last week we did see some strong exports. We're looking for strong exports again today of hopefully over 1.2 million. More yield estimates are coming out, with most not far off from the USDA's 183.1. The current price of Dees corn is also at a level that assumes that no yield changes will be made on next week's USDA's report. Also tough to tell if funds were short covering or not yesterday, given the uncommon nature of open interest and trading patterns. We have to wait till the commitment of traders comes out on Monday to see for sure. Cash selling has been noted and is likely to pick up pretty quickly once the core of harvest gets underway. That is in about 1 to 1.5 weeks that we should see that type of move. For soybeans, exports, once again, were very strong last week. We're looking for a very strong week this week with over 2 million in exports. We'll see what we get here at the 7:30 time. Like corn, November beans are pricing in no yield change for the USDA next week, which is rather odd considering the USDA has changed yield on this report for the past 25 years in a row. Whether it's higher or lower, they have changed it for the past 25 years in a row. So this week, that resistance at that 10.25 level has been holding us here. So we'll see if that still does hold us, or we do end up pulling back off of that level by the end of the day, or end up taking it out with some good exports. Wheat, once again, exports are expected strong today. Last week was great. We're looking for about 500,000 more this week. So if we could see that, maybe we do see this market work a bit higher here. There is some fear that we have priced ourselves out of wheat exports, claiming that Russia is cheaper to go to Mexico. So some of that fear may slow quick as next week look to add some pressure. If exports do slow, then we should expect U.S. wheat to go back to following the overseas again. And overseas, as we remember, had been making yearly lows. So something to watch out for there. Cattle, disappointing cash trade at $1 to $2 lower. And unfortunately, futures are moving right in line with this cash news. Yesterday's box beef, choice was down 9, select was down 2.61. That packer cushioned $10.21. So cash traded $1 to $2 lower yesterday, as I said. We will see if futures extend that gap a little bit farther to $3 to $4. Under cash trade is what futures are trading right now. So we'll see if they extend that here. This week was the first week of the year where packers were $10 in profits, and we didn't even see a higher cash trade. That was with show list down 20,000 also. So there is some fear in the markets here, and what might be happening is that we could be seeing guys looking back to last year. And last year, as everyone remembers, we broke $30 that in September from those highs all the way down to December. So this might be some of the resistance that's in the market right now, because this market should have traded higher because the packer profits were and still are that good this week. So that might be a little bit of what's happening here. We've got to watch to see. Box beef has moved down again yesterday. So now we are looking at still packer profits above $10, but something to be aware of there. So any questions, please feel free to call into 1-800-2-MARKETS. This is Peter Fronti for Allendale's morning wake-up call for Friday, September 6th. Have a great, safe, and happy weekend.